Hi everyone, it's Kim here at Fit Bodies for Life, and I want to share with you an amazing breakfast that will start your day with our superfoods and our plant-based protein. So take one serving of your oats, which is 1/3 of a cup in our Fit Bodies menu, and then I like to add my water in after. So these are quick oats. Three minutes in the microwave. I heated up my water, so I make it more liquid. I add a lot more liquid in there to allow for the protein powder. Now, if you put the protein in first and then microwave it, it gets real gooey. So add it in afterwards. So this is 1 scoop of our uncommon plant-based vanilla protein powder. Add that in there. Then that way you're getting your carb and your protein. Stir this all together. And then depending on the consistency that you like, I personally like mine more almost like soup. Okay, so I'm gonna add even a little bit more water. Now, in order to get all of the antioxidants and the amazing superfoods, I'm gonna go ahead and add 1 scoop. Again, this is 25 superfoods in 1 small scoop. This will give it just a little bit of a berry flavor too. So add that in there, stir it up. Kind of almost turns to a berry color as well. And then I'm gonna use 1 cup of fruit, some blueberries and strawberries on top. And then top it off with some sliced almonds for my fat serving. So that way I've got everything combined just in 1 meal right here. Quick and easy, and it's a great way to start your breakfast and to start your day off.